In this video, I just want to give a brief overview of the guidance calculations and setting up the guidance tracking windows. You'll notice that when we configured the anchors a couple videos ago, waypoints were automatically created for each anchor target as well as the rig target. If we open up our waypoints, you'll see there's our rig target waypoint and all the anchor target waypoints, and those are just going to play into the guidance calculations. So if we go to our setup tab and click on guidance calculations, you'll see all the guidance calculations that were automatically created when we configured the anchors. You have a guidance calculation for each fair lead to anchor 1, as well as the rig to target and anchor tug 1 guidance. And this anchor tug 1 guidance will be the main one. You actually don't have to change anything, it automatically updates itself. So if I go over to the remote station, so there's a couple different guidance tracking windows you can open up on the remote station. If we go to our view tab and click on offline, I actually already have this configured, but this is just going to give our offline distance on the line that we're following here for anchor 1. So to the right is starboard, to the left is port. So we're -3 meters offline right now. And to configure this, all you have to do is right click and click on configure, and you select the anchor tug 1 guidance, and you can change all your values in here. So the way I have it set up right now is this is going to show green up until 10 meters, and if we get 10 meters offline, it's going to change to yellow, and if it gets to 20, it's going to change to red. And you can change these colors too if you want. The other guidance tracking window you can open up is under the view tab, and it's called guidance tracking. And if we open that up, it's just going to give us a bullseye. And this is the same thing. If we right click and configure, we're going to select anchor tug 1 guidance, and you can select the target point, the history, how long you want the history trail to display, and so on. And all this is showing is just your range and bearing to your target. And right now our target is the proposed target location for anchor 1. I went ahead and started my simulation so we can see this guidance tracking working, and you'll see the little history snail trail right there. And one last thing you can do with this guidance tracking window is you can actually right click it and you can save the chart to a PNG. And if I save that and go over to my desktop and open it up, you'll see there it is.